Well, all right. It's Universal's Holiday Magic. It's kicking off today. Let's go in and see the Christmas parade tonight. Go to the tribute store. Enjoy mistletoe pines in this Florida 84-degree heat. Let's head on in. So we've got the big star out here. You've got the holiday emblem here at the front of the arch here. Everything is decorated up. Let's head on in and see what all we can get into. Let's go to the tribute store. So to see the holiday parade, the Macy's Holiday Parade, you're going to have to tune in live. About 5:30 I think it starts. I'm going to do a live stream starting at 5 o'clock. But try to get this video out before it even kicks off tonight. But let's head on back to the tribute store. It opened up yesterday for pass holders, but I could not make it down. So I'm already loving this right here. Look at the tribute holiday market, loving this. And then over here they've got a Earl meet and greet over here on this other side here. So I am loving this so much better than last year's meet and greet area. Love the camper here. Come visit Earl and Gerg's Nutcracker, a museum and car wash emporium. Oh, okay, that's the llama. Okay, now I got it. I caught on to it. But let's head on in to the tribute store. So I have not watched anything on this here from yesterday. Let's see what all we got here. I love this. Oh, it's a workshop. Look at all this equipment here. Got a drill press here. Wow. This is I need that drill press at the shop. That's one thing I do not have at the maintenance shop for the golf course. I could use that. You know, not even woodworkers just use that. You know, every mechanic needs a drill press. But check out the nutcrackers here. All the little wood carving toys here. I am sure there is a lot of stuff in here that I am going to miss. Mistletoe Valley Holiday Market. Wow, look at the band. Is this a bandsaw? No, it's just, okay. Wow, you got everything you would need in here to make some nutcrackers. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Look at this. That's your Harry Potter scarves here. Well, I will say this is one thing. Look at the owl up there in the top corner there. There's one thing over the HHN tribute store already. They've looks like they have outdone themselves here. I am loving this. Oh, here's the Grinch. Look at the Grinch here. The only thing I could say on the Grinch would be it would be better if he was painted up. But I guess he's frozen. Is he frozen in time? Look at the waterfall here, frozen waterfall. Christmas trees everywhere, decorations, Merry Grinchmas. Couldn't have the holiday tribute store without the Grinch, could you? We're going to check out the Green and Red Coconut Club tonight also, but that will be a separate video. We're just going to do the tribute store here. Town Center, 2 miles. Oh wow, look at this. Got the minions up here, sleigh riding, making some snowmen. Here's the Nutcracker Lodge over here to your left. Love the frozen fountain here. Frozen fountain looks really good. Got all kinds of snow. I guess these are all snow carvings is what they're doing here. I like that. Lost vote. Lost vote. How did I get that? So let's go into Earl and Gerg's Nutcracker Lodge here. This is neat. I'm loving this. This is going to be a quick walkthrough. You could spend all day in here looking around. So I am loving the nutcrackers here. These weren't made in the woodworking shop. Oh, it's a new Earl and Pearl shirt here. I like that. Gerg, got all of your books here. You come in and get your book, your storybook. You want to make sure you get your storybook. Look at all of the nutcrackers up here up against everything. This is Nutcracker overload here. Wow, look at the nutcrackers. This is really, really neat. Earl and Girls, a specially curated collection of nutcrackers. I wouldn't have been able to tell that this was a nutcracker collection. Look at these nutcrackers. Now I've seen this guy here somewhere before. Seen him somewhere. I cannot think of where it's at. But look, they got all the ornaments hanging off the moose up here. But yeah, I love the nutcrackers. Wow. So I love the fireplace they've got in here. And then they've got the nutcrackers over top of the fireplace. But this room is full of nutcrackers. This is a nutcracker collection going on in here. What is that up in the corner up there? This guy, what kind of nutcracker is that? Whoa, he's a little mean guy looking, But yeah, you gotta be looking up the whole time. There's a lot of stuff in here. But I'm loving all of the nutcracker collection here. Really good nutcracker collection. So the last two tribute stores, they have not had any sugary treats in here, but they have got all kinds of treats this year. I think they got the message. I think everybody was a little upset that they did not have all these treats in the tribute store here. But yeah, look at all of the treats they have here. You got your macarons, you got milk chocolate s'more pop, you got your Grinch sugar cookie sandwich. You got all kinds of, what is this one here? Chocolate peppermint truffle cake. That looks really good. And then down here at the very bottom here, I like that. You've got the chocolate and praline caramel apple. Seasonal caramel apple over here. Loving these. So I was looking at this area here. I kept hearing stuff falling in here. I was trying to figure out what was falling here. But this is a closet that is just stuffed full of nutcrackers. And they're falling all over the ground here. But they've got everything that you would want in a tribute store here. I like the tribute store. They think they've done a really good job with this one here. Shh! It is sleeping. Probably should not open. It's a warning. It's a red squirrel in here somewhere. I don't know. Ignore the noises. Caution. Do not speak their name, by the way. Positively no holiday singing here. What's going on? So you've got Arbor Day deals just around the corner. World's smallest nutcracker. I'm going to see if we can find it here. See it or not? Earl brings you. Oh, wow. Can you see it? Can you see it there? There you go. There is the world's smallest nutcracker. So what all do we have out here? You got your checkout over here to your left side here. But what all do we have in here? I like the little snowflake up there. What is that? Okay, that's a skull. Oh, it's an acorn nut. Look at the smile on his face. You got another nutcracker here. This, I like the wallpaper in here, and then you've got Frankie on the way out the door here. He's guarding the door, making sure you didn't pickpocket nothing in here. Your Santa wanted, must have. Fireproof suit, holiday cheer, good with children and adult children. Yeah, I understand that. You gotta be good with the adult children because they pretty hard to deal with sometimes. Can work holidays, not allergic to pine. That is great. Look at this. Oh my gosh, somebody had a little accident there. Looking for something there in the microscope. Oh, you just gotta take a good look around, see what all you can find in here. There's some pictures over here by the Coca-Cola drink machine. We'll see what we got over there. So what we got here? Oh, there's a nutcracker there. Somebody's making happy holidays. Oh, look at him here. Oh no, you don't want to go in that house. Not that house. And I don't know, I don't think you want to be in that one either, buddy. I think you need to get out of those two right there, Earl. I like that having the, oh, it's a sinking ship. Pirate Nutcracker. Oh, look here. You got Monsters Unchained. You got Frankenstein Manor there. Woo! So we'll be back live this afternoon or this evening in the Tribute Store. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Stay frosty, and remember, Mistletoe Pines is calling your name.